So in English, there is a topic, guys. Tag questions. This is Max in Russian, by the way. Tag questions. And it's a very difficult topic, I think. You have to always think about tenses. You don't like fish, do you? She is your friend, isn't she? Every time it changes. But if you want to make this tag question at the end, in Russian, it's super easy. It's always one phrase. Не так ли? Не так ли? Several examples. She is your wife, isn't she? Она твоя жена. Не так ли? You don't like fish, do you? Ты не любишь рыбу. Не так ли? You haven't been to Japan, have you? Ты никогда не был в Японии, не так ли? So all these tag questions in Russian is just one phrase. Не так ли? Не так ли? Не так ли? You want to verify that your understanding is correct. Не так ли? Не так ли? Is don't you? Have you? Haven't you? Does it? Did it? Just one phrase. Не так ли? That's it.